In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish or delete a website using www.weebly.com. Whether you're looking to make some major updates, take a break from your online presence, or simply start fresh with a new website, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and break down the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. First, navigate to the Weebly homepage. For this, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in weebly.com in the address bar. Once there, if you are not already logged in, simply enter your login credentials. Make sure to use the email and password associated with your Weebly account. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself on the overview page of your Weebly dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your website and is where everything begins. Next, from the overview page, locate the editor. You should click on X large. This directs you to the specific page you are working on within the broader layout of your site. It's essentially like opening up your workspace, a place where all the creative magic happens. After you've stepped into this area, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Look for the button labeled Settings and go ahead and click on it. Settings is like the control panel of your website, the place where you can manage different aspects such as SEO, general information, and more intricate settings that affect the site's functionality and appearance. Once inside the settings panel, the next move is to scroll down. Here you will find the option to either unpublish or delete website. Let's clarify these terms briefly. Unpublishing your website removes it temporarily from the internet. This is the perfect choice if you're planning on making extensive changes and want to keep things offline until you're ready for the world to see your updates. Deleting, on the other hand, permanently removes your website from Weebly. Choose this if you're certain you want to start entirely from scratch, or if you're ready to part ways with your site. Decide which option suits your need and press the button accordingly. Make sure you're absolutely sure before you delete, as this action is irreversible. If you're unpublishing, rest easy knowing your content will still be stored safely within Weebly's platform, available for future use. And there you have it, the straightforward steps to either unpublish or delete your Weebly site. Whether you're taking it offline temporarily or making a permanent decision, these easy-to-follow steps will guide you smoothly through the process. Feel free to share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day navigating your web journey with Weebly.